In this video, I will show you how to hide your birthday on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open Snapchat app on your mobile. Now tap your profile icon in the top left side. Now tap gear icon in the top right side. Now here on settings page, you will find your birthday. Just tap on birthday option. Here you will find birthday party option with toggle button. Just turn off birthday party toggle button and it might take up to 24 hours for the changes to reflect. But when it does, you will no longer have cake icon beside your name on your birthday. Also, your Snapchat birthday charm won't be visible to your friends. So that is how you can hide your birthday on Snapchat. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.